If your iPhone or iPad is on iCloud activation lock and you forgot your iCloud ID and password, I got you. If you have a device linked to iCloud and want to remove iCloud from it but forgot the password, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove and bypass iCloud from your device. This method will allow you to unlock iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch in seconds. Also remove iCloud activation lock without password, turn off Find My, and more. So without any words, let's go ahead and start the process. I'm going to show you all the steps that you need. So the first thing you will do is go to the official website of MagFone iPhone Unlocker with iOS 26 support. As you see, the software will help you to unlock iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch without passcode, turn off screen time passcode without losing any data, remove Apple ID from iPhone, iPad without password, bypass MDM management on iPhone and iPad instantly, delete iCloud activation lock and iTunes backup password. If you scroll down here, you will see some of the software features. MagFone iPhone Unlocker is one of the best iPhone and iPad unlocker that can remove all types of screen locks like 4-digit, 6-digit, numeric, and alphanumeric code. If you forgot your iPhone passcode due to a long playing usage of Face ID or Touch ID, this software can remove all types of passcodes from iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Not able to enter the passcode on your iPhone is unavailable after multiple wrong attempts. It's okay, MagFone iPhone Unlocker offers a great iPhone unlocking service. With this excellent iPhone passcode unlocker, you can easily and instantly unlock iPhone and iPad passcode in different situations. So if you are not able to enter the passcode on your iPhone is unavailable after multiple wrong attempts, it's okay. What's more, the software has Apple ID removal, which helps you to remove Apple ID from iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. So if you forgot your Apple ID password, Apple ID disabled for security reasons, or want to remove old Apple ID from your iPhone, well, MagFone iPhone Unlocker is capable of removing Apple ID from iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch without password. That's not all. MagFone Unlocker can delete iCloud activation lock without password, remove screen time passcode without data loss, and turn off screen time without passcode. Now just go ahead and download the software. The software supports both Windows and Mac OS. Since I'm using Mac OS, so I will download Mac OS version. Okay, the software is now downloading. The download has finished. Once the download finish, go ahead and open it to install the software. Click agree. Now just move MagFone iPhone Unlocker to apps folder. Just like that. After installing the software, go ahead and open it. This is the software and this is the main interface. It's very easy and simple to use, and I'm gonna quickly explain all the software features. So the first option we have here is Unlock iOS Screen, which can remove all types of screen locks such as 4-digit, 6-digit passcode, and more. With Remove iCloud Activation Lock option, you can bypass iCloud activation lock on locked devices. With Unlock Apple ID option, this can remove Apple ID and turn off Find My without password. With Remove MDM option, this will remove mobile device management. With Unlock Screen Time Passcode option, you can remove screen time passcode without data loss. And finally, with Remove iTunes Backup Encryption option, you can remove iTunes Backup Encryption from your backups. Okay, what I'm gonna show you is how to bypass iCloud from your device. Here, as you see, this is my iPhone and I have iCloud on it. I'm unable to use my device because of the activation lock. So let's say for some reasons you reset your phone and you get stuck on iCloud screen. So what are you gonna do? I'm gonna show you what to do to bypass it. So let's connect the iPhone to my Mac. Okay, my device is now connected. Here, please read the notes. First, your device needs to be jailbroken to remove the activation lock. Also, make sure to connect only one iOS device to your Mac or PC. Okay, go ahead and click start. Now it will put the device into recovery mode. If you get this pop-up, just ignore it. Now here, click start and follow the instructions you see to put your device into DFU mode. You must put it into DFU mode to be able to jailbreak. Okay, press the home button and power button together for 5 seconds, then release the power button but keep holding the home button until the device enters DFU mode. Alright, my device is now in DFU mode. The tool now will start jailbreaking my iPhone. This will take some time, so just wait. I will speed up the video. Okay, the jailbreak is successful. If you see this, this means everything goes well. Okay, go ahead and click Start Remove. Now just put your iPhone again into DFU mode. Once your device is in DFU mode, the software will start removing iCloud activation lock. and boom, removed successfully. The iCloud activation lock on your device has been successfully removed. Please log into your new Apple ID in the App Store app or from the iTunes App Store option in settings. Then download apps using Wi-Fi. Now just go ahead and set up your iPhone. I will set up my device. As you see, immediately to data and privacy, no more iCloud activation lock. So just set up your device and enjoy using your iPhone again. As you can see, I'm on the home screen. So that's it. After bypassing iCloud, please don't factory reset the device or flash the firmware, or the device will be locked again. If the device is stuck in the iCloud activation lock again, you can use this tool again to remove the iCloud activation lock at any time you want. So this is MagFone iPhone Unlocker. It's a simple tool that allows users to remove iCloud without entering a password. If you forgot or lost your Apple ID password, get stuck on iCloud activation lock, no worries. You can use MagFone to remove and bypass Apple ID from iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch without password. Also, you can remove iCloud activation lock, bypass iPhone lock to owner, fix iPhone stuck in lost mode, disable Find My iPhone, delete previous owner Apple ID, get rid of activation lock on iPad, fix iPhone and iPad if it's unable to activate, and unlock iCloud locked iPhones. It's a useful and easy to use. Make sure to download it and give it a try. Also, make sure to use the discount code. You will find it in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.